Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Unbox and Chill. I appreciate you stopping in. I've got another unboxing today. We're going to check out a new watch. This is one I received from watchgang.com. We're going to take a look at it. We're going to check out the specs. First, I'm going to move my stuff out of the way. And as I do that, I'm going to remind you to please hit the subscribe button. We're building a community here. Nice community of guys, of people who want to see some cool stuff unboxed, hang out with me. We're going to start doing some giveaways when we reach 1,000 subscribers. So, like I said, just hit that subscribe button, hang out with me. We'll see some cool stuff, okay? We'll do a quick wristwatch check before we get into the video. I am wearing the my Seiko turtle, Seiko Turtles Batman turtle. It's very nice. I did do an unboxing of this particular watch on the channel. I'll drop that in the description box if you want to see that. But getting right into today's unboxing, I received another watch. This one, of course, from watchgang.com. This is from their watch wheel. They have a wheel of watches. Essentially, the way that works is you purchase a watch, essentially, that's added to a wheel of watches of higher value from the one that you purchased. That wheel spins, and you may win one of higher value, or you'll get the one that you paid for. So this particular one I got from the watch wheel, and I will say this is quite nice. I actually really like this watch. I like this watch quite a bit. So we're gonna take a look at it here. Okay, here's what we got. Nethuns. Nethuns? I am not entirely sure. I would say probably Nathan's, something to that extent. So we've got up here at the top the art of horology. So it's kind of a basic. You guys know I'm always about the logo and the fonts and everything like that. This is okay. This is, like I said, it's not necessarily above some crazy logo where I'm really admiring it, but it's also not it's not bad. So, but this is the box here. So very simple, very small box that it came in, very tiny. Let's pop it open here. We'll get the book out here. So this is the Lava 2 is what they sent me out here. So again, it's got the Nethuns logo, the art of horology. We'll open this up here. So they've just got stuff they wrote here, and they've got essentially, this is the operations manual and probably the warranty information, just telling you about the operations of the watch. Put that to the side here. So here's what we got. This comes on a velvet pillow, very fancy. But this is the Lava 2. Let's bring that in here. So I really like the textured dial on this watch. I really like the bezel on this watch as well. It's very nice. Does have a nice tactile spin here. It feels very nice as we bring that all the way back around. But this is the Lava 2 by Nethuns. So like I said, I really do like that dial. You've got the date complication down here at the 4 o'clock position. I really like the thick, chunky hands. So obviously, it's a stainless steel watch. I like the gold, hands and indices on the inside here. I really like that. It's just just a really nice setup here. I like the Nethuns Lava 2 in there. Looks like that's applied. You've got all the indices in here. The are gold. The hands are gold. They're nice, thick, and chunky. And you know what it honestly reminds me of? One of my favorite watches when I first kind of got into watches that I still don't own and I've never owned, but I'm gonna probably try to pick one up here. Is actually the Mundane watches, the Swiss Railways watches. I like the thick hands on those watches. And the hands are very thick on this as well, and it kind of reminded me of that. I am gonna buy a Mundane watch. I like the design of them. But I've just never actually bought one. Hey, maybe I will here soon. But This particular watch has the movement is a Seiko NH35. So it's a standard workhorse movement that's in a lot of these micro brands in NH35 movement. Um, Here's the bracelet here. It's just kind of a regular bracelet. Actually, looks like it's kind of similar to the bracelet on this Seiko here, but just kind of a regular bracelet. Here's the clasp here. It says it's got the Nethuns on the back. You can pop this open. Just a basic clasp here. It's not too crazy. We'll close that. Like I said, just just kind of standard. We'll take a look at the back here. The case back, so no display case back. Just a regular. Got a logo back here stamped on that, or etched into that. But overall, this is such a nice piece. Like I said, I really love that dial and the hands. I like that they're gold on the inside there. It just looks really sharp. Let's try it on. We'll see it on the wrist here, and we'll check out the website as well. We'll see the kind of the full specs here. Let's try this on here. So I did open this, and I sized it. I wore it for a single day. Just wanted to see if I liked it or not. So it is actually already set to my size. As I go off camera, just for 1 second, let me wipe some of the finger smudges off. All right, we're going to come back here. So that's how it looks on the wrist, and I think it looks extremely sharp. It definitely punches above its weight class, in my opinion. Very good-looking watch. Strong movement on the inside, and like I said, it did not break the bank at all. So, I also like that second hand there as well. I like the way that looks. So this is just, like I said, just a very good-looking piece. This is it here. Very thick, very chunky, very well made. Trying to get some of the smudges off here. Perhaps I should have shammied this down before I did the video here. But very, very nice piece. Very, very sturdy, very well built, very heavy, very well made. The Nethuns Lava 2. Very nice. I also like that this is how this, you see how this has the points on it like this. This is very nice as well. This is very nice. Let's take a look at the website here, and then we'll get out of here. So this is their website for Nethuns, okay? And as you can see, this is the Lava 2, okay? Let's see here. So these are the colors that it comes in. So you've got a blue, you've got a yellow. Let's see here. You've got it says this one is sold out here. This is the one that I have. It says it's sold out. So you've got some other colors here. Let's go in and check this one out. So this is the one that I have here. We'll take a look at the specs. As you can see, they've got some detailed glamour shots here. So you can see all of that. Let's go down here. So that's MSRP. We've got an MSRP of $430. Let's see here. So we'll bring this in here. Let's see if we can get this to focus. So this is just showing you the case back, the crystal. It is a sapphire crystal. There's the water resistance. That's showing you the case width. And the specifications, movement, like I said, in H35. They're just showing you the bezel, crown, dial. We'll just take a look at everything they've got on here. It's not a crazy list of specs, but this is what it comes with here. I will say that the build quality of this watch is on par with a lot of higher end watches than what this actually cost. I think that they just have kind of a standard basic movement inside of it with that NH35. If they had put a Swiss movement in this, I guarantee that MSRP would have been way higher. It's like it's built like a watch that perhaps they would have put an ETA or a Solita or something else in it like that, like it's kind of a higher end movement, but at the same time it's it's so heavy and so well built. And I said, what's the movement in this? And I go look it up, and I said, oh, NH35. It's kind of, again, it's not bad at all. It's a great movement, but this is just one of those watches that's so well made and so well built and so detailed that I thought perhaps it had some type of Swiss movement in it. That's all. But no, like I said, guys, this is the Nethuns Lava 2. Very nice watch, very well made. I've actually, the first day I wore it, I got a lot of compliments on it. People were like, wow, that's a nice watch. I actually had 3 different people tell me that it was nice. So this is the Nethuns Lava 2, guys. I appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. Helping me share and feed my watch addiction with you guys. If you could, let me know what you think about this watch. I'm actually very curious to know what everyone thinks about the Nethuns Lava 2. If you could like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think about it. Drop a comment below. I'll get back to you, and we can discuss it down in the comment section. Like I said, hit that subscribe button. Stick around with me. Hang out. Let's have some fun. More unboxings to come, of course. Thank you so much for watching.